nature photography, South Georgia Island is a mecca for wildlife and scenery. Joseph Vanoff's Photo Safaris has put together an epic South Georgia and Falkland Islands expedition specially designed with photographers in mind. This trip starts out in Ushuaia, Argentina, on the southern tip of South America. We set course for South Georgia, including a visit to the Falkland Islands on the way out as well as on the return. At a time when most cruise ships are getting larger to accommodate more passengers, our vessel of choice is the sturdy MV Ushuaia. Clean and comfortable, she has ample room for 78 passengers, along with our team of 9 photographer and naturalist leaders. On board, you will find the friendly crew ready to help you settle in and attend to your needs throughout the journey. The vast marine ecosystem of the South Polar Sea surrounding South Georgia makes it one of the most important penguin and seabird breeding areas in the world. As we set sail, the place to be is on deck. As with all of our tours, our team of trip leaders have been handpicked to accommodate all levels of photographers. Their collective knowledge and skills will help you get the most from your South Georgia photographic journey. Once we arrive at South Georgia, we spend 10 full days photographing the island's abundant wildlife and scenic riches. Making zodiac landings and full-day excursions ashore is one of the best ways to explore the colonies of seabirds while having a unique opportunity to photograph at your own pace. Photograph among thousands of king penguins. While most other photo trips visit South Georgia Island as a short stop included with a voyage to the Antarctic Peninsula, our trip will spend a full 10 days photographing the landscapes and wildlife of the islands. Along with millions of breeding penguins, albatross, and petrels, the area is home to fur seals, as well as the colossal southern elephant seal. This trip is designed to visit South Georgia early season, before most other ships seek out the island's bays and beaches. Fewer ships allow us the most flexible itinerary for making shore visits, with snowy landscapes as our backdrop. No trip to South Georgia would be complete without a stop at Grytviken.
Here's where we are now, Grytviken.
Here, you are free to photograph at your leisure, exploring this historic whaling station and all of its relics of a storied past. Today, with a seasonal population of less than 20 people, nature is allowed to endure without fear of humans, thus allowing unparalleled photographic opportunities. If you are a nature photographer looking for the best photo trip to the South Georgia archipelago, then this is the trip for you. Once you have journeyed to South Georgia, you know the urge to revisit is strong. If you have never been, come and see what waits for you.